Hey guys, welcome to another FSD video. This is a journey from our local YMCA back home. So let's see how Cybertruck FSD does. We are on 12.5.5 and it's obviously hardware 4 plus whatever is in the Cybertruck. All right, so I'm going to start by driving out and then engage FSD. Okay, still in the parking lot. Let's see how FSD does. Okay, it didn't wait for that lady there. So it's supposed to get out of the parking lot all the way down to that street and then do some urban street driving and then get on to 95 North. Another car is coming. Another car is coming. We have somebody with a stroller. My feet are on the brake at this point. Okay, you can see that little jerk there. Kind of gave itself a little bit more room. That's good. Okay, let's see how it does this right turn. Nobody's there. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. All right, all right. Now, obviously, you can see there's a lot of construction happening in the front, but we're supposed to go left. So hopefully it's not going to kill that police officer, and it's going to go left. Let's see. Okay. You know what? I'm going to disengage. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to disengage. Let's see what happens. I don't think FSD actually can read hand signals. So if the cop says, let's go, then I'll put a little bit of juice on the accelerator and then see what happens. All right, I didn't want to take a chance there, obviously. Just be safe. Okay, I'm going to engage FSD now. Uh, Clearly, when the cop said, hey, go there, I don't think FSD is reading that. So uh, at some point, hopefully, it's going to pick up those nuances. Now, this is backstreet roads, 25 miles an hour speed limit. We're going about 29, so it's pretty decent. Speed limit changed to 35, so it's accelerating a little bit, but sticking to 32, 33 miles an hour. See, as a human, I would have chased through this and taken the right turn before the signal changed, but that's okay. Now let's see if it creeps forward and takes the turn. All right, nice. Okay, are you going to avoid these guys? All right. Why did you scream? You're the one who was driving. Yeah, for some reason it thought that it was going to hit that guy. It's interesting. Okay, so you're supposed to take this left here and then immediately take a right to get onto the highway, which is 95 North. Ideally speaking, we should be on that lane. Okay, go, go, go. All right. Okay, you got one, dude. Okay, change lanes. Change lanes, buddy. Oh God. Okay, let this guy go. Let this guy go. All right. Now change lanes. All right. Not bad. See, I would have been an ass over there. I would have gunned it and gone ahead of this guy. But hey, I'm happy that it's just being nice. All right, let's see how you merge, buddy. Okay, okay, nice. Ooh, two lanes, not bad. Bonus lanes. Now, as you can see, this has already been reported by other people as well. Right now, the car is somewhat slightly tending towards the left, and that exact centering, or rather away from exact centering, sort of drifts based on whether the car is turning left or right, or banking on a turn left or right. So it's kind of interesting because in a situation like this, not too many cars around, it's probably okay. But when there is more traffic, sometimes you start to feel a bit uneasy when it gets too close to either one of the boundaries, but mostly on the left hand side. The speed limit is 55, it's doing 56. I have no idea if it's going to just stay behind this guy or try to change lanes. Actually, I'm feeling like a grandma right now. Come on, Betty. Okay, solid lines because there's construction going on. Don't change lanes. Get that. But after the lanes become, the markers become dashed again, I hope he changes lanes or not. I think the Cybertruck has been doing yoga or something. It feels really in a zen place right now. It's like 55, 56 miles an hour. Perfect. But as you can see, most people don't follow the speed limit here. They're at least going at 8 to 10 miles above the speed limit. Sometimes, like those guys, probably going at 70, 75, 80. It's the right thing to do. It moves over to the right lane because the exit will be coming up soon. All right. Very nice. All right. There's really nobody there, so the merge should be pretty trivial. Oh, that was a little too sharp of a turn. You're given a little bit of room for that car that was coming. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's fall here in New England. It's probably one of the best times of the year. Okay, so that crazy roundabout turn is coming up again. That is really sharp. So in the previous, all right, I'm paying attention. On the previous video, the FSD didn't quite work. It gave up. So let's see how it does today. And again, if there are cars behind me or if it's doing something really stupid, I'm probably going to take over. All right, let this guy go. All right, let's see. Let's see. Do it. 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 Let this guy go. Now I'm going to give a little bit of gas and see what happens. Nah, it ended up in the wall. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to kill the video here because our house is right there. But yeah, this turn is really something crazy because I don't even know if it whoever designed this whether they were following the right rules or not. But there are days when it makes it, and then there are days when it doesn't make it. Anyways, thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.